Hey everybody, so my next adventure, Gdansk. It's a city north of Poland. We're there in December, and then I'm gonna show you basically more or less quickly. I think we were there just for a day, what to see and experience. So this sector of town is actually the city center, the old city center, and it's a more historic. What I love about this city is you can see on both sides of the streets, every building is different. Every building has a different color, has a different design, and it's quite nice actually when you actually see it. So a lot of cities don't have this, but here you have actually a town that gets separated by water, a canal. So there's bridges that go in between, and it actually was built in the 15th century. So we got lucky here because we were in December, so they had a Christmas market. And a few shots later on, you're going to see what they have. The Christmas market actually won second place in all of Europe in 2023. So this is Neptune's fountain. It's actually the symbol of Gdansk, the city. So no matter what time of year you're there, most of the restaurants that are in the city center have these terraces basically so you can eat outside. And in the winter you see there that they actually have little fires to push to keep warm the clients. So this is actually the canal that we saw with the drone before here. So at the Christmas market, you have toys, you have chocolates, you have candies, fish, meat, fishes, decorations, souvenirs, honey. Really, there's a lot to see, a lot to buy. So get ready with your pocketbook. Most of the places that you have, they do accept credit cards, debit. They accept cash, of course, also. And of course, they have hot food. So you're not gonna come out of there hungry. It's hot meals, local Polish food. So I hope you liked my video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hope to see you on the next adventure.